We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC-L8850. We've been getting a replace belt unit message. So the first thing you want to do is actually leave the printer on. And then we're going to lower this front door here. And then we're going to pull out the toner and drums. You're going to slide the tray all the way out. You'll see a blue tab located on the left side of the printer. You're actually going to push that over. Once you push that over, you're going to grab the blue handles at the front and back of the drum and lift and pull out the drum and toner. And now if you look back inside the printer, you'll see another little blue handle right here at the bottom. We're actually going to carefully pick that up and slide that out of the printer. And that is your belt unit for the machine. And so once you unpack your new one, you're going to want to be very careful when you're unpacking it not to touch anything on the belt. Any kind of fingerprints or anything like that can actually cause print defects. So you're going to be very careful when handling it, that you're only touching the hard plastic, and try to as best you can to hold the blue plastic at the front of the belt. So once you have your new one unpacked, you're going to carefully slide it back inside the printer and set it back down. It should go to where it sits pretty much flush with the bottom of the printer. Now that that's installed, we're going to reinstall our toners and drums. So you're going to want to start with the tray tilted upward to start it, and you'll be able to set it down. You won't be able to push the tray all the way in until you move this blue tab back down. So once that's set back in, then we can slide the drums and toners right back into the machine. Now we can close the front cover. And we're going to have to give it just a second to finish initializing. Once it initializes, then we're going to go through the process of how to reset the belt unit count so the printer knows that you have a new belt unit inside the printer, so you don't have any error messages or anything like that coming up. So this only takes a few seconds, and then once it's done, we'll go through the process. Okay, there we go. So we're going to start by pressing the settings button at the top right of the printer. And then we're going to go all settings. Use the arrow keys to go down to find machine info. Then we're going to select parts life. And then before we touch anything else on the screen, we're actually going to go just to the right of the little home and return button and touch the panel for about a second just to bring up the numeral panel. And then you're going to press and hold the pound symbol until a new message comes up on the screen. So this will actually bring up your reset menu, and it's going to ask you, do you want to replace or reset your drum or your belt unit. You're going to select belt unit, and it's going to ask you, you want to replace your belt unit. You're going to select yes, and then just like that, you've now replaced your belt unit and reset the belt unit counter inside the printer so that the error goes away and the machine knows you have a brand new one, so it'll alert you the next time you need to replace it. And that should be back in printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.